Tayo guys, inom tayo ng turmeric tea para mawala ang ating kati-kati ng ating lalamunan at parang hihinto tumatakbo yung ilong. Guys, laging tumutulo yung ilong, guys. Ayan si Spencer. Ayan. Kakarating ko lang galing work. May pasok kasi ko kagabi. Yung work ko kagabi, first night at saka last night. Kasi nag-iisa lang. Pasok lang namin Thursday. Tapos balik uli Monday. Turmeric tea. Yan, turmeric tea. Inom tayo ng mainit para mauli-ulian. Okay guys, good night. Thank you for watching. Bye.